Scanned data often has flaws, but NX can analyze its quality in various ways. We have the tools for aligning the data, ensuring the surface quality, as well as manufacturing and downstream applications. Once scanned data is imported and verified in NX, you can modify the facet geometry or build new geometry on it. You can do this in such ways as decimate facet body, subdivide facet body, snipping, and fill hole. Let's explore convergent modeling. This innovative tool reduces or eliminates much of the rework needed in the past. But first, let's look at the history to understand how we got there. So you can see here in this video that the data is being scanned, and once it's scanned, you can go in and fix the data. You'll see there's a big crack in the model that needs to be fixed. It's highlighted there with a circle. You can see that the crack is being repaired in the model with the lighter green, and the filling can be united to the rest of the model to complete the fix. Zooming out a little bit and seeing that it's all united together. Convergent modeling is the ability to work directly on faceted data. You can bring in faceted data, convert it to convergent data, and then start modeling like shown in this video. Holes are being put in the model. This allows us to have a mixed model with BREP data, Booleans, and faceted data all in the same model. You can see the holes were put in. Also, ribs are being put in by extending sheets and trimming the body to them. This is all done directly on the model through convergent modeling, and in the past this was not possible, but convergent modeling has made this possible through NX technologies. You can also see a chamfer being added, and we'll have our fully finished product through our convergent modeling.